Here we go. This is satisfying slime. Look at this. Now, for our famous trick. Tell them, Sir Bailey.
Slime.
But, we're gonna make...
Slime.
No, we're going to make...
Slime.
Okay, I'll just tell the viewers. We're gonna make a slime bubble, but put slime under it. We did it before, and it's incredibly satisfying. Okay, so we're gonna pause this video right here, and we're gonna ask Bailey. I'm gonna ask Bailey when she's ready, and come back to you. Okay, and the video is paused, and we're back. Here we go. The slime bubble under the slime, over the slime. Watch. Watch it. Just look at this. It looks amazing. It's just incredibly satisfying. Look at this. Another slime bubble. Come on, I was gonna do it. You popped it. Come on, I didn't get that on camera. That includes that's all for satisfying slime. Do we have anything else to do?
We can make another bubble, but a normal bubble. Pause the video.
Yep. Let's start. Here's what a normal bubble looks like. This time it's huge. Look at this. This is a normal slime bubble. We actually made it professionally this time. Whoa, that looks amazing. Look, let me blow it in from the audience. Look how satisfying that looks. Look at that. Let me try. Whoa! I just killed it.
Okay, now keep the video recording.
Okay.
Stop. You stop. Stop.
Okay. Should I stop the video?
No.
Okay. Should I pause?
No.
But we're running out of time. Only 40 minutes. Or 40 seconds.
Okay, bye guys.
Okay, that includes today's satisfying slimes. Next time, we'll probably be showing you something about more slime.